what is your connection to Deep Ellum?
This is the first place I lived in Texas, and this is where I met Bree and where we wrote a lot of our songs and had a lot of good times.
When I was young, there was smoke and derision, hope in the sky, crashing down.
The history here and just being out and the energy here is really what brought me to this space.
And this is kind of where like our band came to be a band in the first place.
Dodging the sun, crashing down. It came alive.
How would you classify the genre of music that you play?
I wouldn't, but if I had to, I don't know, maybe art, soul, alternative.
Avant-garde, R&B, funk, soul.
You betcha I was, and maybe I drank, but we'd gone back.
How do you think music affects the culture and society at large?
It's a way to bring people together that normally wouldn't be in the same space. There's something about seeing somebody on the stage with either instruments or buttons with a bunch of lights on it, and it's always a good time. So it's a way to unify everybody in a way that normally it wouldn't take place if music wasn't involved. So